Ethereum still moving within its beautiful range. Consolidation before the next big move, which, with all the things going on in the background, could indeed be higher. So let's go ahead and dive into that. I'll also talk about PEPE charts today in this video. Now, Ethereum, lots of big catalysts. We had a delay of the Chinese tariffs. We have big scaling news, a new road forward for Ethereum, ETF inflows. Price is still stuck at the range, okay? Good news. What's the chart say? So here we are. We are still stuck within this range here for Ethereum. The rock, the 200-day EMA, the hard place, the 200-day simple moving average. What's interesting is that these are curling slightly closer to each other from the first time we started having these conversations. The 200-day EMA has moved up from 2,440 to about 2,460 now, and the 200-day SMA has moved down from 2,700 to about 2,680 right now. So they're closing in. Okay, the walls are closing in on Ethereum. When will we get our price pump? Vitalik, we need more bull posting here, buddy. Now, what's very interesting is that through all the drama we've seen over the last few days, prices all over the place, Ethereum has held incredibly strong during that time. Looking good. Now, yesterday, didn't get a chance to make a video for you guys, but I was looking at the price of Ethereum and thinking, gosh darn, you know, a limit buy order here on the 200-day EMA might be pretty juicy. Didn't get it. Price bounced. It's fine. It's fine. But it's nice to see the price recovering a little bit on that positive news. We did have a big move right across the board for crypto today. ETH moving up, but not quite to the 200-day SMA yet. So what am I looking at for a trade here? Now, obviously, the MACD is still in a bearish downtrend, but it's basically been flat. Okay, it's not a strong downtrend. It's basically been flat, and it keeps threatening to curve up. You can see the histograms have gone back to a sort of light pink color here, which means that we're closing the gap. Things are starting to tighten once again, okay? We haven't had a bullish crossover yet, but it doesn't take a lot of price action for that to happen, and the next time that happens, we'll probably get a significant move on Ethereum. So I'm still looking on the breakout trade. Obviously, if we see the price pull back to the 200-day EMA over the coming few days, I think there's a trade there as well. So I'll be looking for a limit order there if we see that pullback happen. Right now, though, I'm watching for a potential breakout trade, and I'll show you that trade, exactly what I'm putting in here in just a second. But if you're trading and you want a great place to trade, check out Unix, guys. You can long the rips, short the dips, no KYC, no VPN. You can trade from anywhere in the world, okay? Deep liquidity, especially for all the big pairs. They got hot altcoins and stuff as well. And here's the crazy deal. Right now, you'll get the $10 sign-up bonus. That's free $10. Hey, here's a first trade on us. You're gonna get $2,000 up to in trading rewards. You'll get up to $400 in deposit rewards. You can see the exact details of that here on the screen. Deposit $500, $100 back, $2,000 at $400 back. And for the month of June, the guys at Unix are giving away crazy money. In fact, we're gonna be giving away $1,000 every single day during our live stream. So the winners are announced during the live stream, but if you sign up within the 24-hour period before the live stream, AKA now, then you can be one of two winners who will get $500 credited to their account. $1,000 every day that we do a live stream, so Monday to Friday, for the whole month of June. That's a lot of cheddar. That's a lot of giveaways. You could be one of those winners. Link down below. Go get signed up at Unix today. Start trading how you should, freely. So let's go ahead and structure up this trade here. Take myself off screen so you can see a little bit better here. Look, what I'm interested in is the breakout of the 200-day simple moving average. That's currently around $2,680. So I'm gonna put a trigger order in for that. So trigger price, $2,680. Okay, take profit price. I think if we start moving on Ethereum again here and that we see the breakout from this range, a $3,300 price target's not insane, okay? Depending on how price reacts on a breakout, I might move that down to 3,000, but I think 3,300 is not a crazy target at all. The stop loss order, $2,630. So essentially that 2630 will be right back down around here. So if we fail to decisively break above 2,680, that's the 200-day simple moving average, red line in the chart here. So we get one of these deals where we just wick up for a few minutes and then back down. then I'm out. I'm out. We're back within the range, and I'm going to wait patiently again for that breakout. Now, I've got stopped out twice on this trade, trying to get that 200-day SMA breakout. Stopped out here, stopped out here. Third time lucky, let's see. If not, we'd come and do it again. You might think, Lark, you keep getting stopped out. Yeah, you get stopped out a few times for tiny little losses, but if you catch that move when it happens, it's going to print some money. That's the idea. So let's go ahead and open this long here. Again, trigger price at 26.80. Click on open long, click on confirm. Now, another one that, of course, we were watching, key Ethereum beta play, Pepe the Frog. Pepe, like a lot of coins, had a nice rally today based on that big news that we saw coming in, not just for the Ethereum ecosystem, but for macro more broadly with tariffs and all that kind of stuff. Now, we did get up over the 20-day exponential moving average very briefly. You can see the MACD starting to tighten up once again. Of course, very far away from a bullish crossover, but it's once again starting to coil up in the right direction. The trick now is to get a definitive break over the 20-day EMA. So chasing it right now, right here, at this particular price level doesn't feel great to me because it's potentially getting rejected here at the 20-day EMA, which then could send the price back down to who the heck knows where. I want to play the breakout. So if we get a breakout on this today or in the next coming few days, the 20-day EMA, of course, as usual, will be a key area of price resistance. You can also see if you drop back like this, that this lines up with previous price support, support here, support here even. 3 areas of price support right around, let's say 1270, 1280, okay? So that's 0.0000128 or 127, you know. Pepe numbers here, but we're trading 1,000 Pepe contracts, so it takes away a few of those zeros, makes it a little less complicated to trade. So what would the trigger be on an order here? That would be an attempt, once again, to get the price over the 20-day EMA. So we're going to do a trigger price of 0.0127. Okay, take profit on this order, 0.019. Now that would, of course, assume that we're going to see a bigger rally forming up for June, and we're actually going to get a substantial move off of Pepe here. Let's see how it plays out, of course. Stop loss, relatively tight, 0.0124, okay? That would bring us back down here, essentially. So that would say the breakout failed, and the price is retracing. We're out of the trade, so trying to catch the breakout here, okay? So we'll go ahead and open long on that order. Again, that's a trigger order, and click on confirm. Now we can see our open orders just down here, waiting to be filled on breakouts. Or if we see significant retracements, I'll look for long positions there. Right now, let's see if we can catch some breakouts in the market in the coming few days. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you.